Ever wonder how crucial search engine optimization, or SEO, is for your website? Imagine owning the most beautiful store in the world, located in the middle of a desert. That's what a website without SEO is like. But fret not, Yoast SEO Premium is here to pave the road to your store, making it more accessible and visible to the world. Now, how does one go about downloading and installing Yoast SEO Premium? It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and we're here to guide you through it every step of the way. Firstly, you'll need to purchase Yoast SEO Premium. Visit the Yoast website, navigate to the Plugins tab, select Yoast SEO Premium and hit Buy Now. After completing the purchase, you'll receive an email with a download link. Next, it's time to download the plugin. Click the download link in your email and a zip file will start downloading. Remember not to open or unzip this file just yet. Moving on, it's time to upload this plugin to your WordPress website. Log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over the Plugins tab, then click Add New. Here you'll see an Upload Plugin button at the top of the page. Click on it, then choose the zip file you just downloaded. Click Install Now, and WordPress will do the rest. Once the plugin has been installed, the final step is to activate it. Click on the Activate Plugin button that appears after the installation. And voila! You've successfully installed Yoast SEO Premium on your website. But what's the point of going through all this trouble, you might ask? Well, Yoast SEO Premium comes with a host of benefits that can significantly enhance your website's SEO. The plugin helps you optimize your keywords, preview your page on Google, provides readability checks, and even gives you suggestions for internal linking. Plus, it offers a redirect manager to avoid any 404 pages and 24/7 support in case you run into any trouble. In summary, downloading and installing Yoast SEO Premium involves purchasing the plugin, downloading it, uploading it to WordPress, and activating it. In return, you get a powerful tool that helps you manage your SEO, making your website more visible and accessible to the world. So, no more being the beautiful store in the middle of the desert. With Yoast SEO Premium, you can pave the road to your store, invite more visitors in, and watch your business grow.